Good morning, sir. Myself, Y. Vasundhara from 2nd CSE. In this presentation, I am going to explain about fifth normal form 5NF. In this presentation, we will discuss these topics. The outline of this presentation is firstly, we will discuss about introduction to fifth normal form, understanding joint dependencies, practical example overview, course enrollment relation structure, identifying joint dependencies, decomposing the relation, new relational structure, benefits of 5NF, example queries. At last, we will discuss conclusion. Coming to the topic, firstly we'll discuss about introduction to fifth normal form. Fifth normal form addresses the issues of joint dependencies in a database. It ensures that all facts in a database are stored in such a way that they can be reconstructed without redundancy. Achieving 5NF often involves decomposition of relation into smaller, more manageable pieces. This picture is about fifth normal form, a relation that has no joint dependencies. First table is about illegal state, second table is about legal state. When this tuple is added to a relation, this new tuple must also be added to exist in any legal state of the relation. In this, joint dependencies exist. Coming to the second slide, we will discuss about understanding joint dependencies. Joint dependencies occurs when a relation can be reconstructed by joining multiple relations. They often lead to redundancies and anomalies in a data manipulation. Removing joint dependencies is crucial for achieving a higher normalization form like 5NF. This is the example of 5NF. Uh, hostel Hostel is divided into two types, room and utilities. Room is subdivided into students. Students is again classified into three types, syllabus, classes, teachers. This is about practical example overview. Let us consider a relation called course enrollment. The relation contains attributes like student ID, course ID and instructor ID. Each student can enroll in multiple courses and each course can have multiple instructors. This is the example of 5NF. Course enrollment relational structure. The initial relation might look like this: student ID, course ID, instructor ID. There are potential joint dependencies since a student can enroll in various course taught by different instructors. This structure can cause redundancy as the same data can appear multiple times. Identifying joint dependencies. We need to identify the joint dependencies present in the course enrollment relation. A joint dependency occurs if we can express the relation as a natural join of two or more relations. Here we can see that student ID, course ID and course ID, instructor ID indicates joint dependencies. Dependencies decomposes the relation enrollment into three relations. There are two attributes called student and course and lecturer. These joins the dependencies called student and lecturer. Decomposing the relation. To achieve 5NF, we must decompose the course enrollment relation. We can create two new relations called student course and course instructor. This decomposition eliminates redundancy and preserves data integrity. Fifth normal form. A relation decomposes into two relations must have lossless join property, which ensures that no superior tuples are generated when relations are reunited through a natural join operator. However, there are requirements to decompose a relation into more than two relations. Although rare, these cases are managed by joint dependencies and fifth normal form. New relation structure. The new relation student course will have attributes like student ID and course ID. The new relation course instructor will have attributes like course ID and instructor ID. Each of these relations can be independently joined without introducing redundancy. In this, we discuss about benefits of 5NF. Achieving 5NF improves data integrity and ensuring that all data is stored without redundancy. It simplifies data maintenance as update occurs in fewer places. Queries become more efficient since the relationships are clear and more structured. There are five benefits: data integrity, data quality, data security, data availability, and data accuracy. Example queries of 5NF. After decomposition, querying for all courses a student is enrolled in becomes straightforward. Similarly, fetching all instructor for a specific course is now simpler and avoids redundancy. This structured approach allows for easier management of relationships and data integrity. This is the example query which involves student registration system, admission portal, department. Between student and student registration system, the student application should be filled and then course offered to student. Scheduled information, admission portal, requirement list and report and satisfaction. Conclusion of this topic is fifth normal form is essential for handling complex relations in database. Decomposing relations into smaller parts helps eliminate joint dependencies effectively. Understanding and applying 5NF ultimately leads to a more efficient and manageable database system. This presentation covers the principles of 5NF, provides a practical example and explains the process of decomposition while highlighting the benefits and implications of this normal form. Thank you for giving this opportunity.